Ngiyahleka uthi uRemy uMamnandi was streetwise. Nkosi yam, we wanted to know what our kids are doing when they're not ekhaya. So we would go to these places, just go. One time we were in Hillbrow. There's a new club that opened in Hillbrow. I said, okay, Chomiaka, let's go in there. Siyobona lemidlalo ingoma ini, let's go in there. Ayisangena kumnyama. Iyajungoma tutu. Ayisangena. Hayo, sangena. Wathi umuntu, mama kaThamtham. Wathi uNandi jika Chomi jika. Hayo. We can't go in there. Ngoba akunantanga zethu. You know? Xa nifika kwaNandi, I would stop egating. Ndithi aphendule phakathi endlini. Kuyahanjwa kuyojayivwa. One early hours of the morning, we came home, siya kwaNandi. We used to change. Xa sibuya, whose home is closer? That day, it was Nandi's turn. Siyangena, usisanda lo, my daughter was talking here. Siyangena. Uthi uSizwe, ma, ningangeni la ngempahla ezinukugwayi. We don't know what we are smelling. We are happy. Sivele konwaba. Sibudlile ubomi nechomi yami. Oh, sibudlile ubomi nechomi yami.